If you're trying to be more efficient and get more projects done, I have got some sweet news for you. ClickUp actually has a virtual conference coming up next week, and you got to check this out. Some of the speakers that are going to be there are absolutely phenomenal. It's absolutely free to sign up. It's next Wednesday at, let's see, I'm on East Coast, so it's 11 a.m. Eastern time for me, but check out some of the speakers that are going to be there from VMware, OpenView, Lids, Diggs, NHS, Miro. Lots of great stuff coming up. So this is really going to help you double down and get your execution strategy on, especially when it comes to ClickUp. There are 7 packed live sessions starting next week. And again, it's absolutely free. So if you want to check that out, click in the link in the description below, and maybe you and I will actually see each other next week, albeit virtually. See you then.